Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Amazon reviews for your site in Webflow. So let's start. First, what you want to do is you want to click on a link in the description, just scroll down and click on it. When you're going to click on it, you'll get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of those widgets is Amazon reviews. Just click here, sign up for free, and just sign up with the Google or Facebook or just normal email. When you will have it, then you just want to click login. Right here, you want to click here to search button, and let's just write Amazon. And you're going to see it here, Amazon reviews. Let's create a widget. Now you have reviews widget, carousel, slider, grid, or just reviews one. I'm going to choose this one because I like it the most. Let's continue with the template. Now you want to just add the Amazon product URL here. And header title, Amazon reviews, okay. Filters, let's leave it like that. Nice, we will have it. Now, you can also change the style if you would like to change the colors, all fonts, it's really up to you. Now, let's click save. They will ask you then, what kind of plan do you want? I recommend if you're gonna have 5,000 views or 50,000 views, like your site is getting the traffic, go with a basic or pro plan. Or go with a light version that's like $0 a month if you're starting out with your site, and then you can upgrade it at what time you want. So let's copy the code here. Now let's click plus. And what I recommend is create a container first and then add a code to container. So you'll have it centered to the middle. When you have it, let's paste the code here and let's click save and close. And when we will have it, let's click publish. Publish selected domains. Nice. And let's see. So as you can see, it's perfect. I would also add something to the left side so it's more centered. It will be also cool. So I would what I would try to do is just click here plus, and let's try to add columns. Yeah, that's what I would do. Or even sections. That would be pretty cool, and I would edit here so it's in the middle. Yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. Also, I recommend checking all the applications here if you like some and you can use them. So yeah, thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.